We are team hot off the press, and we have redesigned Da Vinci's Renaissance printing press using motors, sensors, and actuators. We are using Arduino Megas to control our 3 subsystems that drive each stage of the printing process.
The paper feeder uses 2 DC motors to rotate 2 sets of rollers used to transport paper onto the paper tray. The 2 sets of rollers act as a friction drive by gripping onto the paper and moving it from the torque generated by the DC motors. One set of drive rollers situated near the exit slot are driven together with the addition of 2 pinion gears in a 1-to-1 gear ratio, ensuring the same rotational speed. The motors are initialized by a color sensor that detects when the paper is within the slot and continues to rotate until the paper is clear of the feeder.
Once paper has been loaded into the tray, a photoresistor will tell the servo motor to lower the ink pad. Once the ink pad has been lowered, the main motor will pull the pad under the stamp, allowing it to be inked. After the stamp has been inked, the pad will return to its starting position above the IR sensor, informing the servo motor to raise the ink pad to its upright position. Now the paper is ready to be stamped.
Our press works by utilizing a Scotch yoke mechanism, gear train, and pulleys to drive the stamp and paper tray movement. As the primary motor rotates, it drives the Scotch yoke mechanism that moves the press connecting rod and stamp vertically. Simultaneously, it drives the gear train that causes the pulley at the end to pull the print tray back and forth horizontally along the track of the drawer slides. IR emitters and sensors are mounted underneath the paper tray for position recognition and to switch the motor's rotation direction based on which one is triggered.
To initialize the print, the whole system is triggered by the press of a button.